Hey, good morning. Chuck here at Apple Drains. So we are back out here where the pump failed. The customer finally got their warranty pump. We've got that, it just arrived. We're gonna go ahead and put the new pump in here because we gave her a temporary pump, which was working great, but we need to go ahead and install the new one. And remember, this is from Zoeller, the replacement, 3-year warranty. They replace their pumps if they go bad. So to replace the pump, we're just going to loosen the clamps here on this no hub, then we'll lift the old pump right up and out. Now it's time to set up the new pump. We're going to start by setting in a male threaded 1.5" adapter, and it screws right into that port on the pump. But first I'm going to go ahead and put a small riser, 1.5" pipe, and we'll screw all of this down into the port. Remember to put this in hand tight, just as tight as you can make it with your hand. I'm going to use the other check valve that came off of the pump that we put back in there, and so this becomes really simple. But first, let me show you a secret way to go ahead and drill the pressure relief. Using your screw gun, simply use a set screw and drill a hole. This is actually 3/16 inch, and it works really good. One of the reasons I like to use that set screw is because it's a 5/16 inch nut driver, and that's the exact size of these no hub clamps. So we're going to put a no hub on here, screw that tight, and then we'll just set the old check valve assembly right in place. It already has the 90 for the discharge, and it'll make this really quick. Now I can simply use the entire assembly from the previous pump and screw this tight with that no hub, and we're ready to go. Line it up in the direction that you want, tighten up that no hub, and we'll just set the whole pump down in place. Always remember to put your things away. In other words, notice that I put that lid back on the glue. That's real important. We're going to go ahead and set the pump down in place. Use that no hub. You can see it lines directly, perfectly up. Once we put this together, we're all done. Take your handy dandy nut driver and just tighten up these no hubs, plug your pump back in, and you're ready to go. Very nice. So again, 3-year warranty, and they don't go bad often. And remember, what was the cause of this was someone had attached a catch basin to our discharge line, and it filled up with dirt and sand, and of course the pump didn't work. But 3-year warranty, guys. So you can see it didn't take long to swap out the pump. I'm really glad that Zoeller honors their warranties. I mean, it's pretty quick. It takes about 7 to 10 days, of course, to get your pump, but easy to put it in. Okay, job number 2 out here in Claremont. Claremont's about 40 miles, 30 miles from Orlando to the west. Take a look. We are in a new construction development. And I mean, this is the fun part of everything that we do, because we find so many problems out here. Developer called us out here of this particular house, and you can see the retaining wall. We'll get to that one in the next video. Hey, this is Chuck with Apple Drains, reminding you that if you believe you can do something, I guarantee you can do it. Have a great day.